Hi y'all, so I moved out of my parents' house. I'm going to show you how I stay organized and a room tour. So over here I have my belt rack, which I got at Dollar General, which holds all my belts, and a few scarves are in there, and so is an umbrella. Up here in the green storage bin, I have cards that I've gotten from my graduation party, where I store cards that I give away to like my family members around Christmas time, and then I have, or just other events that I need cards for. And then in my pink bin I have just other stuff from my Paris trip, like other souvenirs and photo frames I don't have photos for. And then I have my lamp that I got from Savers for like $4, and I need a lampshade for it. And then I tried to color code this, so I got pinks, blacks, blues, just basically trying to stay organized. This is half the size of my other closet, so I did downsize quite a lot. So this is like pretty good amount of clothes I think I've got for I am a college student. I do start my summer classes tomorrow. So like I used to have like shelves all the way around that outside of my closet with like a board underneath that would help support it. I don't know what was up with the other tents, but they put nails up there. I don't know what for. And then in this white bin, I have extra bedding, towels. This teal bin, I have my leggings, that sort of thing. Blue bin, I have my jeans. I have my knockoff UGG boots, which I do need to spray them, so they're don't have the because of where there's snow and stuff, so I need them so they don't get ruined with the salt and snow. I don't know what it's called, weatherproofing I believe it's called, or something. And then I got just my brown and black knee-high calf boots. And the previous tenants like broke every window, which is why my dog is not currently living with me, because I have to work and I have school, so she is still at my parents' house. This rug my mom got, it was originally $80. She paid $8 for it. I'll be doing a top 10 favorite book video. That's just where I'm putting my books. I'm hoping I have like another crate of books, so those would be going in the living room, I think, if I do have room. I do have this photo, which I think might be moving to over there, and my beautiful mirror, because it's like I went to Paris and like so like this gold theme. So I've got this brown, dark brown, blackish brown with like gold tone colors. And then I've got this thing, which will be having my nail polish on, and then I just have like other stuff that's, it's kind of messy. I'm still organizing, so some of this needs to go in the bathroom. Shouldn't have got, I don't think I showed you my water bottle. I got this when I was in Texas from H&M. I do not have an H&M store, but we have a Sears and a Kmart, and Yonkers going out of business, so hopefully I can get my H&M. I know it's mean about people losing jobs and stuff, but I'm one of those people that shop clearance where I pay full price, which might be why they are going out of business. I don't know. Like other stores have like $10 off a $10 purchase. It's like, it's not my fault that you guys are having these sales. I don't know if I told you, but I did pay only $30 for that dresser at Savers. Picked up this, I want to say it's a table, side table or something, I think it's called. I paid $15. It has my TV, which I bought over last night, and my DVD player, and I just have some photographs that I am trying to figure out what I want to do with those. And then once again, I'm a college student, so I do have like other shoes that I would wear here. I'm not gonna go into a whole bunch of detail on the bottom. It's mostly flip-flops and a few dress shoes on the bottom. Got some slippers. My tan shoes I wear in the fall. The blue striped ones I'll wear probably this summer. I have to dress up. Then I have my Gladiators. I love Gladiators. And I have my Nikes. I am hoping to get a pair of Converse before I start school in the fall. And then I have my hat collection. I love Stitch. I got this when I was in Paris. I went to see the catacombs, San Antonio Zoo, and I really love this minty color. And then I have a Mossy Oak camouflage hat, and then my friend made me this floral headband. She lives in Peru, and just started my winter stuff, and I got this bag when I was in Paris for like $2. It's just neon paint. So I live near Duluth, Minnesota, and they have this thing called Bentleyville Tour of Lights. It's their 15th year of doing it, so I'm hoping that they'll have like some type of awesome long sleeve t-shirt that I can buy. I don't think I went last year. It was too cold, and I was supposed to go and like we never go when it's cold. When it's warm. We go when it's like below 0. And then I have this purse, which I'm currently using right now. And in that purse I have all my camera stuff in. And you guys already saw my blanket I got in my other video. But underneath I just store my crates that have my movies in them. And then I have my suitcase that holds my scarves. And then I have, I just got that. That was in the graduation section at Walmart. So I just thought it was cute since I went to Paris. So that might just hang up on that portion of the wall if I have room for it. Or I might just hang it up there, which I'll be getting rid of that stuff, not like tossing it away, but like moving it to my closet because I do have extra room in there. So, and then I got my photograph, which is mine. You can't buy in stores. Sorry. So I took this photo when I went on nature walk. So I live not too far away from Lake Superior, so it's like really nice. I live near this lake and have the option to go to the beach like every day in the summer after work. Evenings I get to view Lake Superior every day at work. I get to see it at school because I go to Lake Superior College, and it's beautiful. I don't know why people don't like it. It's like, you can travel. I travel. But, like, why would you want to live where there's sharks? I do want to go to Florida, though. That'd be awesome. Might do a beachy theme, I think, with that. Or just some travel stuff. And then I have my drawer organizers. This one I got for like $4. I got two. Well, two of them at a $4 price. The other one was $8, I believe, by the time taxes were done. So for the price of $8, I was able to get two of these. So, which was about the same size as the $8 one. So I paid $4 for each of these, but I only ended up using one. So I might just give that away to a friend of mine. I used it to organize my tank tops. And then this came in a 9-pack. So you have to put these together. So if I were to flip it the other way around, they stack. So if I were to like move it to the side, I'm not gonna undo it because I have put it back. But if it's 2 pairs of socks, and then my winter socks, and then underwear and stuff will fit in these. I have to, it fits 2 pairs, but there's actually like room. This is like about 2 inches, so my drawers are like 3 inches, so maybe like fit other stuff on top if I wanted to, if I ran out of room. And then some bedding. The Sigmund pillows I got from Route 21 for $3 each because they're on sale. The fluffy gray pillows right there. My mom got from Target. She bought me those. And then that pillow, this pillow, all them pillows. Well, those ones I didn't have to insert anything. These have the pillow protectors on these too. I don't have pillow protectors for those ones, but I'll buy some at some point. Because I just bought this bed. And then my credit card is upset with me. Wait, I don't have an interest on this bed, which is good. So I don't have interest on here, so I have like a while to pay this off, which is really nice. And I bought a rug for the living room, which is really nice. I don't have to pay it off. And then underneath my bed, I have like 5 or so storage bins, which reminds me I have to go to Walmart. One of my storage bins didn't have the cover that goes on top, so I have to get another one. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my video of my top 10 favorite books. Thanks.